Hello everyone, welcomes you all in my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. In this video lecture we come to know about clique. Clique is again a type of subgraph. So a clique of a graph G is a complete subgraph of G. So what is clique? A clique of a graph G is a complete subgraph of G. What does it mean? It is denoted by first of all omega G. And in other words, we can say a set C is a clique of the graph G if and only if C is the subset of the vertex set of G and U and V are the two vertices of C where U not equals to V implies UV, that is the edge UV belongs to the edge of the graph G. So what is clique? That we explain with an example. So for example, let this one is the given graph. In this given graph, we should find out that what is the complete subgraph included in this graph. So complete subgraph means a graph if having two vertices, then it have exactly one edge. If three vertices are there, then there are exactly three edges. That is the triangle. If there are four vertices, then it is like this one. So if this one is the given graph, then here we can find out the complete subgraph, which is maybe this one. So this one we can say it is a clique, and this clique contains the sets, contains the vertices A, F, C and B. So this one is a clique for the given graph, and look, this one is a complete graph. So being a clique, it has to be a complete graph definitely. Now if we consider this one as the subgraph, then it is not complete. So it is not a clique. If we consider only these two vertices, that means ED. So if we consider this one as a subgraph, then it is a clique because it is a complete subgraph. Now another example we may consider. So if this one is an example, here we will find out that if we consider this triangle, that means this one, then it is a complete subgraph, then it is a clique and it contains the edges E, G and F. Likewise, this one is another clique because it is also the complete subgraph from here. So this one we can say it is the clique for the given graph and it is denoted by A, B, C, D. These are the vertices included in this clique. Not only these two, but if we consider this one only, that means D and E means this one, then it is again a clique. So here we should remember that subgraph induced by a clique is a complete graph. We know what is the induced subgraph. So the subgraph induced by a clique is a complete graph. For any given graph, whatever be the cliques are there, these are the complete graph. In fact, we can say that any clique which contains these vertices, among these vertices there are these all vertices are adjacent to each other. Hence, it is a complete graph. So we can say subgraph induced by a clique is a complete graph. Now, from here we have two types of clique. One is the maximum clique, another one is the maximal clique. So what is the maximum and the maximal clique, and what is the differences between these two? First of all, it is the maximal clique. So a clique is maximal if and only if it is not a proper subgraph of another clique. So now look, here in this one is a graph where these are the three cliques, and that is because if we consider GF as a clique, then what happens? We can say if we consider the subgraph only containing the vertex F and G, then definitely it is a subgraph, but it is not the maximal clique. It is a clique, but it is not a maximal clique, because if we consider E, F, G as the subgraph, that means this one, then its subset becomes the edge, subset becomes the vertices FG. If we consider only that portion, that means FG, then what happens? We can say this one is a clique, but this is not a maximal clique because be a proper subgraph of any other clique. So this one individually is a maximal clique, this one individually is a maximal clique, this one individually as a maximal clique, because no one is the proper subgraph of any other given subgraph which is a click. Now it is the maximum click. What is the maximum click? A maximum click of a graph G is a click with as many or more vertices than any other click in G. So what does it mean? That here among all the maximal clicks, which maximal click have the highest number of vertices, that one is called the maximal click. So for this particular graph, 3 clicks are possible, and among these 3, these all are the maximal click, but among all these 3, this one is the maximum click. So maximum click is with the highest number of vertices, and this highest number is called the click number. So first of all, we should find out the maximum click. After finding out the maximum click, we find out that how many number of vertices are there in this maximum click. That particular number is called the click number. So for this given graph, the click number, which is denoted by WG, is 4. For this one, the click number is again 4 because this is the highest click or the largest click or the maximum click. Definitely it is maximal also. So here the click number is again 4. So this is our click, but now we should do some example for the click. So here find all clicks in the following graph and find the click number also. So these are as your homework and you can do by yourself. So this one is a given graph. Your requirement is to find out the clicks, all possible clicks, and among them which are the maximum click. So maximal click and the maximum click, both you should find out for this given graph and hence find out the click number. So this is your first example. Now this is your second graph. For this one also you are supposed to find it out. And one more graph, that is this one. So for this one also you should find out that what is the maximal clicks and the maximum clicks and the click numbers too. So try by yourself these all. If you will get the answer, then post your answer in the comment box.